Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and I hope you are quite familiar with me, as if you are taking my courses from starting from the very C++, Python, pen testing with Backtrack, Metasploit, and SQL, and upcoming series are also wonderful like web design basics, then programming without codes, and quite others. So self-publicity is also required nowadays in so much of competitive market. So as far as that, let us try it and see what you have got in this series, in this particular lesson. So this lesson is all about for you. Although in every video of the starting I say that, hey, this is for you, I keep on tracking you that, hey, follow this lesson in this manner, you are going to break this query in this manner, and after that. So we have got a twist in this lesson. So let's find out what is that twist actually. So we are into our backtrack machine and you can find the lesson 14.zip file is out here. So what I'll do, I'll copy, or let's say I'll move it from /root to desktop to lesson to /var www and master. So once I copy this, I'm already in this folder. I'll do a quick ls and let me check if I got, yes, it is lesson 14. So I'm quite finding out all these files now. In the start of the series I was not finding out these series. Don't know what mad actually I was going out creating all these codes. What you can do, simply the unzip command to lesson 14, and let me do a quick ls to check out. Yes, ls14, lesson 14 is out here. So previously we saw that how lesson 13 can be proceeded. I break your query, I thought everything, and I created every scenario. But what we have got in the lesson 14 is, you can see here, hint, no hint for this lesson. So I won't be giving you any hint to crack out this lesson. I can only say this is a post-based injection. This is based absolutely and absolutely on the previous videos that we have seen in the get. So it can be anything. So try and find out yourself, and really I'll be expecting an email that, hey, yes, you have cracked the lesson 14. It's just very simple. So that's all for this video, and really sometimes tests are necessary. So consider this as a simple test, and that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.